Located in Oxnard, California, is Raypak's 245,000 square foot headquarters and manufacturing facility, where thousands of high-efficiency boilers, water heaters, and pool and spa heaters are built every year. Our facility features the latest in manufacturing technology, including programmable machines that automate repetitive motions, like changing out a die for cutting sheet metal. This means every material used to build our products is exact to the specifications. Raypak's new fire tube heat exchanger is built by state-of-the-art automatic machinery for precise, controlled manufacturing. Sheet metal is fed to an automatic roller and welder to form the heat exchanger shell. The tubes are manually positioned in the tube sheets before the assembly is moved to the robotic welder. There, the tubes are welded to the tube sheets in a specific pattern to prevent warping. An ASME inspector reviews and validates raw materials and subassemblies of the heat exchanger for compliance with ASME codes and Raypak quality control requirements. The heat exchanger is then sent to the hydrotest station, where it is subjected to a hydrostatic test pressure of 240 psi for compliance with ASME pressure vessel code before being placed inside the unit. At the end of the assembly line, every unit is tested and quality checkpoints are documented to ensure safe and reliable performance in the field. Our commercial units are then carefully crated and shipped out for delivery to our customers. Our on-site parts department is here to keep you up and running, with next-day shipping available on genuine factory parts. As a trusted name in the heating industry, Raypak is dedicated to providing solutions and support when and where you need it.